South Africans must start walking around with IDs. That's why we wanted an operation stop, search and arrest here in Diepsloot. Police must randomly search us. Who are you? Where are you from? Where's your documentation? It's not apartheid, Chief. It's not apartheid. It's not apartheid. South Africa for South Africans. Call it whatever. You don't reside here. It's the people that reside in Diepsloot that are victimized. You stay in 4 ways and you can't call it apartheid.
No, during apartheid, that's how
that is how we want it as residents of Diepsloot. That is what we told the minister, Begicel, that the TRT that is deployed here must search South Africans, they must search everyone. I think I've got my ID here. I've got my ID here. I've got my ID here.
How's the meeting going? Is there a way forward?
The way forward is here. There's going to be there's going to be an official from Home Affairs that is going to come here and capture those that are arrested. After that, they're going to be sent to Lindela. So that is what the visibility of TRT. We want trap and loss because our police actually are failing us on that. We want the TRT to actually search and arrest. That is another thing that we want. That is all. So this guy here, we don't know what he wants here.
Did he speak in the meeting?
He was about to speak. He introduced himself as a Zimbabwean, I don't know, whatever forum there.
Okay, why would you not want Zimbabweans to participate who reside with you? Why would you want them not to participate while they live within this community in a process that seeks to find a solution? Why would you want a solution that excludes them? It's a question. I'm asking a question.
Here's the solution. And the solution is coming from South Africans. We don't want Zimbabweans to intervene or assist us in the solution. We are the solution, and we are saying they must leave. They must fall off. That is all. They must go. We don't want them to come here and be part of this stakeholders meeting. Do you understand what I'm saying?
They must go. Even the documented ones.
My sister, listen here. We want all Zimbabweans to leave because the ones that are documented are the ones that are bringing the ones that are not documented here to come and kill us. Do you understand? Where are they working?
What about Pakistanis? What about Nigerians?
My man, understand what I'm saying here. Understand what I'm saying. I'm saying Zimbabweans are killers. Zimbabweans are entering our houses. Zimbabweans are entering our shacks. I reside here. I know what I'm talking about. A Pakistani currently, on Wednesday, they were locked inside their spaza shops. Pakistanians are not roaming around Diepsloot. Do you understand? Zimbabweans are roaming around Diepsloot as they please.
So you only want Zimbabweans to leave, just Zimbabwe?
Are you deaf? That is what they're saying, Chief. You want Zimbabweans to leave. That is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. They must leave.
What? Can we go to